Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to change YouTube video from private to public on private your YouTube videos. So for us to be able to begin, just head on to youtube.com first. So once you're already in here, just head here onto the upper right corner of the screen and click onto your profile. Now, once you're already onto your profile, you should be able to find an YouTube studio in there. Click onto that and then you'll get redirected to YouTube Creator Video or your channel's dashboard. Once you're already in here, here onto the left side, you should be able to find some different things in here. Click onto content and then you should be able to find in all of your videos. So choose the video that you want to change from private to public. So for example, this certain video that I have in here, let's go ahead and hover in here. And as you can see, this is on private. So only me and the people you choose can see this video. So if you go ahead and click onto this arrow onto its side, so you should be able to find in the option in here to have this one unlisted or set this one to public. So you'll just have to click onto that and then right after click onto publish. There is also another option for you to schedule this one. So if you go ahead and choose the schedule in here, so if you click onto the arrow, you could schedule this video as public on the time specified in here. So you'll just need to go ahead and click onto this arrow and then choose in a date and the specific time for that. And then right after, just click on the schedule. So right after, once that one is already scheduled, then your video will automatically be scheduled to be public onto that specific date. But if you want to go ahead and automatically publish this one already, you'll just have to go ahead and head back onto this arrow here onto the upper part, click onto public and click onto publish, and this video will automatically be set this visibility to public. And that is just basically it, how you change YouTube video from private to public. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.